We got you. Get in your eyes.
This job turned out to be a great learning experience. This Schlage deadbolt was drill resistant. It had a titanium plate in it, so I spent about 20 minutes trying to drill it out and I was failing miserably. So we ended up walking around back and we got the customer into our garage by way of coat hanger. Should have did this at first, but
We got you.
hindsight's always 20/20.
We got you.
When I began to replace our lock, I quickly found out that I was never going to get through this lock by way of drill, and you'll see that in a second.
So we tried to drill this lock.
Check out
As you
this
can
lady's
see,
latch
this is
assembly,
a
and you'll hear my reaction in the video.
Wow. What a lock. That is, wow.
I gotta clap it up for this lady and her deadbolt lock, cause boy, wasn't nobody drilling through this. This was a late night call, and I actually finished doing this job around 1:45 a.m. So, hey, the grind never stops. You gotta do what you gotta do out here.
All right, cool. All right, you guys have a good rest of your night. Yeah.